وبرکاتہ. Welcome to online Quran. Dear student, in the lesson number 3, we will learn Haroof Muqut'aat. First of all, we learn the sign. This is a mud sign. It is a long, and this is a shad sign. Shad means connected with the previous letters, and this is called a standing fatha. Let's start. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alif Lam Mim. Alif Lam Mim. Alif Lam Mim Sad. Alif Lam Mim Sad. Alif Lam Ra. Alif Lam Ra. Alif Lam Mim Ra. Alif Lam Mim Ra. Kaf Ha Ya Ain Sad. Kaf Ha Ya Ain Sad. Taha Taha Ta Sin Mim. Ta Sin Mim. Ta Sin. Ta Sin. Yasin. Yasin. Sad. Sad. Hamim. 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 Ain Sin Qaf. Ain Sin Qaf. 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 Noon. Noon. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. But if you have any question, please comment below. Goodbye.